Hello guys, welcome back another video. Today in this video we will talk how to cancel Jazzercise subscription or membership. Okay, so first of all I want to tell you, if you want to cancel your membership you need to provide at least 3 to 5 business days notice period, or you can say you can cancel your subscription before, you can say like your you can say like next billing date. Okay, otherwise they will charge on your account. Okay, so first of all what you have to do, you need to visit on the official website on jazzercise.com and you need to log in into your account. And once you logged in into your account, you need to click on your account profile and you can directly visit on the dashboard section. And once you are on the dashboard, you need to select payments and billings, which is located your subscription plan at the bottom of the page, and you can click on change plan or you can click on cancel membership. Okay, and you can, your membership will be cancelled and your assets will be removed at the end of your current billing payment period. Okay, until you can like after cancellation, until your payment period is over, you will assess your all the, you can like uh, premium membership benefits. Okay, so this is the information. Now if you have any other questions, you can make a comment. I will reply you very soon, and thanks for watching this video. Bye bye, take care, see you soon in the next video.